MOSPMO Jitendra Singh, who campaigned in Assam, spoke to Republic. In his interview, he has said that BJP will return to power in the state and the government will take forward the development agenda. Listen in to what he said.
To my mind, what immediately the answer is that the people of Assam had been subjected to a rule by Congress party for as many as nearly 6 to 7 decades, 6.5 decades. And the Congress party had abundant time if it actually cared, but they were not sincere. And now people obviously, the common man obviously draws the comparison in the last 5 years of the state rule of BJP, last 7 years of the central rule of BJP. And I think this has been largely possible because the Congress party, the Congress governments in the past were also bogged down by their own scams, scandals. They also did not do enough and with enough sincerity to restore peace because they found themselves perhaps beneficiaries of unrest going on because they were playing politics of division. And this division and insurgency and militancy and terrorism, came to their advantage. And they also lacked accountability. In the last 5 years, there has been restoration of peace with all sincerity. And the Home Minister of India himself engaging himself without standing on prestige or vanity. The development, which is being monitored by none less than Prime Minister of India. Not only through his personal visits, which I said have been 35 times to Assam and 43 times to Northeast, but also through his monthly Pragati video conferencing. And the accountability of the state government led by BJP in Assam, in Guwahati, was directly to the leadership at the center. And therefore, this accountability was lacking, and people today are much, much awakened. The citizen today is much, much awakened. So this contrast is what is giving pro-incumbency to BJP.